Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for inviting me here to be part of this exciting gathering today. So it's always hard to speak after Dr. Rashid, such an amazing and inspiring speaker. So my intro today will be basically not far from what Dr. Rashid spoke about, which is innovation, leadership, and inspiration. So we have a story today to share with you, a story of a man who dreamed of making Sharjah a center of education, innovation, and co-creation. It's His Highness, the ruler of Sharjah. What I would like to share with you today is a new development in Sharjah. It's called Sharjah Research and Technology and Innovation Park. This is a brainchild of His Highness, which he built this university city over the past 30 plus years. And he dreamed of Sharjah being a center of knowledge economy and innovation for this region. The Sharjah Research and Technology Park mandated to build an innovation ecosystem, an ecosystem where we empower human capital, empower you. An innovation ecosystem where generate next and futuristic jobs, opportunities for the people of this region. An innovation ecosystem which catalyzes the knowledge economy and invest in the future. I want you to dream with me today of a UAE where we can export our own food and vegetables. Today, UAE import 90% of the vegetables. Imagine if we can produce vegetables and food and secure our food from technology. Technology like the hydroponics, aquaponics, vertical farming. Can you believe that? A technology that will create new industries and new opportunities for our businesses and make UAE more competitive. Imagine a UAE that can become a center for smart manufacturing. For long, UAE and Sharjah especially been the regional capital for industries. We have 21 industrial zones in Sharjah, more than 1,300 factories. Imagine if we can use additive manufacturing, metal 3D printing, plastic 3D printing to become again a center for industries, smart industries that can use robotics, artificial intelligence to develop entrepreneurs like you without spending millions or hundreds of thousands of dollars or dirhams. We want to invest in the future. That's the mandate and the vision of His Highness. But this did not start today or yesterday. It started, as I said, a long time ago with a vision of turning Sharjah into a center of education and innovation. Today we pride ourselves not to have 17 institutions in this university city, but to have 21 education institutions all in one place. More than 45,000 students, more than 2,000 PhDs from 100 nationalities. Can you imagine the diversity we have in this vicinity of this fantastic college, of the amount of nationalities we have and brains and backgrounds, if we all come together and co-create as Dr. Rashid suggested. To do this, we believe in partnership. That's why we travel all over the world, from India to China to America to Europe to South America, to identify real partners who believe in sustainable development, on the sustainable development bottom line, where we balance things between social development, economic development, technology development, environmental development, all hands in hand, a true manifestation of what Sharjah and the UAE all about. To do this, we need to also understand what's the areas that we have to work with. Emerging industries, emerging technologies. Technologies that will empower us and make us more competitive. It is no secret that we need to invest more in water technologies. It is no secret that we need to invest more in environmental technologies. in digitization, in industrial design and architecture. These are emerging, not only local topics or regional topics, but these are global emerging topics that we believe brings opportunities to you and to us to invest in and to develop our skills and go to the next level. The Sharjah Research and Technology Park is all about exponential growth. We don't do normal jumps. We want to have a big jumps. And we want to start where other people ended. That's why today, if you come to the park, you will see a 3D construction house was built, and we are developing this technology to become the regional 3D construction place. You will see a metal 3D technology being developed, one of its kind. You will see a next generation transport being developed. Anyone saw a flying pod today or yesterday? Please go and see it. It's flying now. It's a pod that's flying, and you won't see it's hanging. It's very exciting. They are testing it now, and we will announce it, inshallah, on Saturday. We are bringing next generation transport technologies into the UAE and into the region. This is exponential growth. We want you to think exponentially. We are very proud. As I said, we cannot do this without real partners. Partners who believe in us, partners who want to co-create with us, and partners who have global vision. I will take an example of a locally developed company, which is Kafu. How many of you use Kafu? Mobile fueling. This is a startup from UAE, by a UAE. He started in UAE. Now he's going to Nigeria, 220 million people. He's going to Egypt, 85 million people. He's going to Saudi, 35 million. This is exponential growth. And we can do it here in UAE. Another example, which I spoke to, is Skyway, a company that is introducing next generation transport and logistics. This will be a technology manufactured and developed in Sharjah. This will redefine industries and transport, not only in Sharjah, but in the entire Middle East. They are into cargo, people. Next, please. Another I spoke earlier about, a technology in hydroponic, aquaponics, and vertical farming. This is another topic that is very important to us in this part of the world, especially that food security is a key topic. But also we can turn, by using technology, this challenge into great opportunities for all of you. Next. So we are very proud to create enablers to help you go through this exponential growth. So we created Sharjah Open Innovation Lab, a platform where you will have access, both students, faculties, entrepreneurs, to cutting-edge technologies, rapid prototyping, electronics, textile, wood, to be able to create your own smart manufacturing, to start where other people ended, and you don't have to go through the cycle. We will help you do that, and we will nurture you and give you all the support you need. Another topic I talked to is the water technology. We are also developing a research and development center on water technologies, and we want to be a regional center for the development on water technology. Next. I spoke about metal printing. This is something that we are announcing next month. And with one machine, you can produce parts for automotive, parts for oil and gas, parts for different type of uses that can, again, make us competitive, make our industries thrive and become more competitive with less people and less energy and much smarter operation. Next. We are very proud also as an enabler for this park to be the first 5G test bed in this region. We are collaborating with Nokia and Du to make this happen. And teams from the SRTI Park, from Nokia, from the American University of Sharjah, from Du are collaborating now to deploy 7 towers testing 7 types of IoT and smart cities technologies. This is all happening next door. And it's all for you to come and co-create with us how we will be using 5G use cases and business cases with autonomous cars, with drones, with a smart cities application, with Internet of Things applications. But we cannot do all of this without real collaboration with different institutions, both global and local. So we are very proud also to have the United Nations Innovation Lab regional office at SRTI Park. The lab will give us access to hubs across the world, from Finland to Malaysia, to Africa, to India. We will build network of innovators and network of co-creators to make our dreams come true. So, this is how the pictures look like between now and December, which is less than 2 months. And this is a manifestation and the first step only of His Highness the Ruler of Sharjah's vision of endorsing and empowering and making thought leaders like the chairman of this great college, Skyline, and others be able to excel and grow and make real economic impact. What Dr. Rashid spoke about is to wake up every day, go to work to make things happen, to change the world, to create new opportunities for our young people, to make our countries better, to make the world a better place and more peace, and to be proud of ourselves. We deserve to do better. The story of UAE is only 47 years old. I was watching a video yesterday. 60 years ago, we had nothing here. Imagine if we all collaborate and work together and share a same vision and mission, what can we do using technology, using innovations to ourselves and to our future? Thank you very much.